ever thought about why we are here and what's the purpose of life? Maybe life as we know it reflects only one side of the full story. Now open your mind wide and let your vision be enlightened. Experience the story of light and travel through space-time, from the dinosaur era to space missions. At the speed of light, we'll take you on a journey of science, illusion, wisdom, and entertainment. Welcome to the Dream Factory, to answer all your questions.